Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. The topic is auto-launched flows, hosted by Navkara Consulting. Navkara is a leading global consulting company that specializes in digital transformation. We serve clients across the spectrum of industries, including healthcare, public sector, federal, and commercial. This is the confidentiality statement. I'm Ajita Ratnakaram. I'm an associate consultant at Navkara. What you'll learn in today's webinar: what are flows, life cycle of flow, use case, demo of an auto launch flow with custom button. What are flows? Flows are an advanced automation tool. Flows are used for more complicated logic similar to Apex code that can be accomplished in a declarative manner. They require no user interaction and work in the background. Flows can be executed via a custom button, record tab, or on a scheduled basis. It saves users from doing repetitive tasks, hence saves time. Just build it and make it accessible to users. The life cycle of a flow. You plan it, build it, and test it. Testing is very important, since testing a flow lets you fine-tune the flow's behavior, identify and fix bugs, which makes it less likely to spend time later responding to emails from your users. And distribute the flow, make it easily findable if used frequently by users by adding it to a Lightning page. The use case. Sales reps at ABC's cite that an aggressive discount program is a key factor in closing deals. For getting permission to offer the discount to their client, the sales reps must email the management and wait for the reply. This can be a cumbersome and time-consuming process, resulting in losing their clients to their competitors. Streamlining this process is a priority. The solution is to create a flow that calculates and updates an opportunities discount automatically and distribute the flow with a custom button, making it easy for the rep to quote a price and close the deal. Here I created a flow that calculates how much of a discount to offer the customer automatically. When the sales rep is ready to quote a price to her client, all she has to do is go to the opportunity record and click a button to calculate the discount. The opportunity is instantly updated. Now let's go to the demo of the auto launch flow with a custom button. First, we need to go to the opportunity object. Here, I created two fields called discount percentage and discounted amount. The discount percentage is a percent data type. Here, it displays the percentage to be subtracted from the total amount of the opportunity. And the other field is discounted amount, which is a formula data type. It calculates the opportunity amount after any discount has been applied. And this is a formula that is amount times 1 minus discount percentage. And always for a formula, make sure to check the syntax to see that there are no errors. And here we see there are no errors. So we're good to go. I save it. Then now we're going to the flow. And this is the flow I created called calculate discounts. We're going to click on it. And this is the flow. First, I created two variables called account ID and opportunity ID. Account ID, it stores the ID number of the account associated with the opportunity. Data type is text. Make it available for input. The next is the opportunity ID that stores the ID number of the opportunity that triggered the flow. Data type is text. Make it available for input. Now we go to the elements. First, you need to get the records. So we're going to find the related account from the account object where the ID equals account ID. Next, we're going to build the logic to determine the right discount to apply. So we get the decision element, and we're going to create 3 outcomes based on the annual revenue of the account. And we're going to give full discount to accounts whose annual revenue is greater than 200 million. Partial discount for the whose revenue is greater than or equal to 100 million and less than or equal to 200 million, and no discount when either of the conditions are met. Now don't forget to connect the nodes between get records and decision element. Now this full discount, partial discount, and no discount are abstract terms. So we're going to give them a value. So we get the assignment element, and we're going to assign values to the abstract and the to the full discount, partial discount, and no discount. Here I created a discount variable which stores the discount percentage. Since it's a variable, its value is based on the discount the opportunity gets. So we're going to give the discount variable a value of 10, where the discount is 10. And the discount equals 5. We give it a 5 where the discount is 5. And here, discount is 0. It gets no discount. And we're going to connect the decision element to all the 3 assignments. Now we are going to get update records element. This element updates every record that meets the criteria. Update discount field, how to find records to update and set their values. We're going to choose specify conditions to identify records and set fields individually. So the object is the opportunity, where the ID equals opportunity ID, and the discount percentage field to be updated with the value stored in this variable. Now we're going to connect all the 3 assignments to update records element so that the opportunity is updated no matter which outcome was executed. Now we're going to save it and activate the flow. And now we're going to create a custom button which will be displayed in the opportunity so that when the rep clicks the button, the flow calculates the discount and updates the opportunity. Now we're going to go to the flows, calculate discount flow, click the down arrow, go to view details and versions, and copy this URL here. Now we're going to go back to the opportunity object. We're going to buttons, links, and actions, and click new button or link. And this is the button I created called calculate discount. It calculates a discount based on annual revenue. And the display type is a detail page button because we're going to go with a custom button, and display the behavior display in a new window. That is, the flow is going to run in a new window, and the content source is the URL which we just copied. We're going to paste it here, the URL, and add the account ID, which is the account ID of the opportunity, and opportunity ID, so that when the flow runs, these 2 values are passed into the flow. Again, for a formula field, check syntax and see that there are no errors. And now we're going to page layouts and choose opportunity layout so that the button appears on all opportunity records. Here, if you go to the buttons, you can see calculate discount. We drag it and put it here under the custom buttons so that the reps will be able to see this button at the top of the opportunity page. Save it. Now we're going to check our flow if it is running properly. Here we're going to accounts and select this account, Edge Communications. And if you go under details tab, you can see the annual revenue is $139 million, which is more than 100 million and less than 200 million, which means partial discount or 5%. And it is going to be for the amount $5 million. Now we're going to the opportunities and click on the account. And here, if you go on top of the page, you can see calculate discount. So we're going to click on it, wait for the flow to run on a new page. Now we can see the flow is finished. So go back to opportunities, click on the account. Under the details tab, here you can see discount is 5% and the discounted amount is $4,750,000, which is the amount after the discount has been applied. Now you can see how easy it is for the rep to click a button, calculate the discount and close the deal with just the click of a button. If you have any questions, please email them to info@navkara.com. Thank you.